welcome to Buckeye Girls Reason Things. Today I made my very first Kentucky Derby hat. This is a collaboration with Jill Stiles. I hope you enjoy how I made my Kentucky Derby hat and try one of your own. First I started off, I took a piece of felt and I cut a circle. And now I'm going to add my tool to it. Hi, Josie. Hi, Deborah. Hi. Hey, Anthony. We're making a Kentucky Derby hat. Anthony, if you watch, maybe you can make Penny a hat for church. You know, those big hats were the thing back in the day for church. Bigger the hair and the bigger the hat, the closer to God, is what my grandmother used to say. Hey, Penny, you can. I'm making a hat. You remember the hats back in the day? Okay, I'm going to set this aside and let some of that glue dry. Now we're going to make a bow. Gotta have a bow on our hat. Connie. I may have to add a... I think I'm going to add a pipe cleaner to hold this together. Or a zip tie. I'm going to go back and put a zip tie in this bow. And it'll be covered up anyway. Just to make sure we don't lose our bow. It would be awful to lose your bow on your hat at your event. Now we have to have feathers. Let's see what kind of feathers we got here. Here's our flower, and it's got a pin on the back. So all we're going to do is take that pin and shove it through and not poke our finger. I may just have to glue this on. I'm going to take the pin off. And I'm going to just glue this on. I'll use the pin on the back. And I can always trim these down. Ooh. Don't want to have bunny ears, girls, on our hat. Hey, Penny, if you're still on, tell Anthony that beauty is work. Then we'll take our clip, because we have a clip, and we will clip this onto our hat. And you just adjust it to the whichever way you like it. I think I